Do you know what is 60% dark chocolate? What is this made of? Butter and cocoa butter. Right answer? You feel so. Guesswork. Yeah, it's a cocoa solids and cocoa butter and sugar. So 60% is cocoa solid and cocoa butter is called mixed together is 60%. All right. So some of them are filled well, some of them are not filled well. So if you don't get it, don't get surprised. I'm just trying to make the best. So I'm making it 60 pieces of truffle. That's sufficient, right? Here I can see 60 people, or people will come later while tasting. Okay, get the dark chocolate and start closing with this. Can you just start closing it? How do you just put the spoon? Yeah. Ideally, this has to be closed one day later, but we do not have the time to do so. Yeah, so no, never keep your chocolate in the fridge. Keep it at 14 to 16 degree. 14 to 18 is the best. If you're keeping it at this fridge, it's not a good idea, but I know we do not have any other. In this case, this is short shelf life ganaps. Yeah, this you have to keep it. But if you're following proper recipe, you will not have this problem. So can you just do this? So chef, yeah, you can do this. You take this and you do it here. So what you need to do is you need to close the mold just by adding little bit chocolate, and it's since a compound chocolate, it will set immediately. We will use compound only because I do not have a tempering thing I can't show, but I'm sure you will learn. You know how to temper chocolate. पता है ना सबको? हाँ, everyone knows about it. So most important, if you all of you struggle, I'm sure the process you will figure out how to temper chocolate. But what you need to remember is your room temperature. So all of you are doing it tempering chocolate in the room. First, ask yourself what is the room temperature. So can you answer this question? What should be the room temperature for tempering? Anyone?
30 degrees centigrade.
Room temperature 30 degree. 18 to 22, 18 to 20 is the best. 18 to 20 is the best. 22, okay. Above 22, struggle. Hard struggle. Till 24. Below, above 24, don't even try. If you're trying, you're wasting your time and energy. You'll get tired and say there's something wrong who has taught. That's not the case. Watch your room temperature. 18 to 20 is the best for tempering chocolate. Is it kuacha or it's compound? Sure. It's not setting this is